Let me get your food. Hello to my vlog. Nigga ain't gotta do all that on camera now. You was live. Uh-oh. Come on YouTube. Yeah. We turned up over here, y'all. Okay. Yeah, I should've vlogged this deal. Look. Look how it's feel that y'all still look at the top. When I tell you that liquor was from when I tell y'all that liquor was from here to there, it's still. Now y'all know I don't own that Espanol music in the back.
Child is.
Y'all know I ain't got own the rights to that stuff.
Look at this one, dude.
I wish I knew.
This is a lot of food.
That rice is good. It is. That taco out there. Let me get that. Okay, yeah, look at this. This rice bun is. Berea. That motherfucker thick. With that sauce, baby. Okay. Alright, I see it. Did the damn thing with that. Y'all seen that? That shit looked good too. I ain't gonna cap. It looked good too. It did. No lie, but this rice, they did that. It looked kind of different.
Rice good.
It's a different kind of gravy. What, but, I don't know. Don't give me the line. I sure was gonna make some shit up.
What is this, friend?
It look like the salsa.
This one?
That's red sauce and the green stuff.
These taco stuff.
That's the cheese. Salsa.
You didn't get this? The spicy?
This red salsa. That shit is authentic, y'all. You can tell. It ain't just bright red and
So you
shit.
can have one of these tacos. It's a lot.
Take it home.
It's big.
You know you're gonna want to be in bed watch a movie.
And probably.
That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna be knocked out on.
I'm already. Now, on to the enchilada. They got queso and shredded cheese. I should do some sauce.
Right here.
Oh, they put the steak meat up in here. It's a little cheesy.
How you know this spicy chumping?
I'm putting on this little piece right here in the corner.
I put this one on my taco. Chocolate.
I'm using the salsa.
It's a lot of goddamn meat.
It's big. It's fine. So we lit over here.
So I get you one. It's not. I haven't even tasted the rice. Oh, you want these beans as well?
The salsa made a little difference. like the rice too?
I like it. What? It's good to me. Oh, you eating while the dance and it's other food good.
No. Y'all see her dance in her chair.
Good.
If I had my camera, I only got my phone. That shit ain't good me anything. Yes, me, you know. Where's she going?
I've been wanting some burrito tacos from somewhere and I finally got them. Finger looking good, tripping. I ain't gonna.
I just showed y'all outside.
You know?
I'm about full. Y'all ain't stuff this shit with me. I'm about already full.
Mucho bueno.
Good thing that I'm no. I'm sorry.
What this sauce? Everything good.
What's lit over here? It's lit.
You know?
Period. Tank. Bring us to go back.
For real. I'm sad, man. You see how you be wanting it and then it's just, I was trying to be full fast. Probably because we waited so late. I was extra hungry.
Damn. Trying to blame me on the cook.
I said we waited so late. Oh, you caught that slug?
Trying to blame me on the cook.
Did it? Say,
I'm full.
bitch, I barely even ate one burrito. Whatever they say.
That shit's so packed and stuff.
This stack will be for real, Shay.
Well, papaya, I give it a 9.
I'm gonna say an 8.
But it's all good in the end. We out. Yeah, because enchiladas, beans, rice.